Get a body on somebody. Let's go, Greens. Get a body on somebody. Get a body. Get a body.
Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Defense is gonna work! Let's go! Let's go, D! Yeah, North! Yeah! Nice job. Hey, way to go, guys! Hey, defense, let's go! Rogers, count your personnel! Count your personnel, make sure you have 11. Yeah, starting defense. Defense. Look outside! The ball! The ball! Twins! Go get it! Hey, there you go. Good. Wait, hey, way to get in there! Hey, the ball. Well, you gotta look and make sure there's nobody in your zone, okay? 44. One more. Next one. Heavy! Hey, know who we got. You gotta pay attention. Let's go. Rogers, make sure everybody's where they need to be. Hey, here we go. Watch the ball! Watch the ball! Fish! Help it! Watch the pass. Nothing behind you, Greenston. Nothing behind you. Nothing behind you. Let's go line.
Carson! Come on, Greens, get fired up on D. Let's go. Come on, D! Get to the line. Hit him behind the line, Carson. Hit a gap.
1D, let's go. Here we go. On her off. Off. He's on. Now he's on. Yep, we're good. Green's D. Run! Go! Hey, I'll take it! Castillo!
You gotta go tough, D-line.
Easily.
Need another guy. Carson, you gotta hit that gap, buddy. Fight!
Hey, Silver. Back, react to the three. Okay, green strong. Hamburger, bullseye. Protecting inside. You don't need fully shit. Protect inside. Keep on the ground. Make sure he stays on the ground. Can't sit. Thank you. All I see is Stay set. Let's go, Quay.
Go, Carson, go!
Upfield! Good job, Will! Stop it, John. Stop it, John. Eckler! Hustle. Lock. Lock this corner down, Pat. Hey, let's go! Let's go, run it. Ralph, lock this corner down. Don't get sucked in. Go.
Nice job, Ronald!
Reynolds. New receivers. Let's go, please. Hey, eye on that ball.
Nice penetration.
Receivers out.
Carson. You can do that every time, Carson.
Hamburger strong.
Deep breaths.
Strong. Keep going.
Hey, bring him down!
Hey, lineman, get your splits! Get your splits every time! Two linemen! Kingston! Receivers out! Hey, Cookson and Kessler. You guys got to make sure you get your splits correctly. Half of that stuff didn't work because we were too close together up front. You know this. Spread them out a little bit.
Wide, three wide. Three wide. Ooh, nice hit! Nice hit, Sharp!
Hey, Dave Sharp, that's a great hit! That's how you bring a boom, Dave! Hey, easily 2-5. Fit, hey, fit! The ball! Hey, easily! 2-6, 2-6! Hey! Easily! Hey, watch the ball, boys! Strong! Green strong! Watch that ball! Let's go! Green strong! Close! Close! I want you to drop back. Everybody else strong! Watch the ball! Strong! Strong! Defend, Bernie! Stay over!
Way to go, D! Way to go, D!
Let's go, defense! Original goal, D. Hustle up! Hustle up! Let's go! Keep your head up! Let's go! Hey, let's go, D! Rogers, make sure you got enough! There's 3. Heavy! 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 Let's go, let's stop him. Fisher, nothing deep. There you go, Green. Go. Get it! Yeah! Chip! Chip! Use your hands. Throw. Norman! Give him a little bit more of a cushion if he's out there by himself. Okay? Let's go, Dean! Nobody get fired! Fisher, nobody get high! Yeah. Heavy!
Sorry, actually not too late.
Oh, you're good.
This thing sucks so bad, I don't think you're gonna be able to see shit anyway. It's so small.
Hey, I will take that. That's good coverage. Way to stay close. Hey, watch them run that again. The steal. No, Chip, stay. Heavy. Chip. Hit the gap. You ready for that pass, linebackers? Adam, stay home. Ohio! Gap, Bo, gap. Hey, keep your buddies back.
On the line, we gotta eat! They got 6 on the line, you gotta eat! Get that ball outside fast, you got it.
Ready, safety. Left side. Reverse!
Go get it!
Yeah! Good job! Yeah! Punt return! Norman, Coaster, Castile, Reagan, Bright, Blade, Duvall, Rogers, Fisher, Wall, Pavlik.
Bro, give me that ball!
Punt.
Yes, you're in. Hey, I want that ball.
Hey! Pavlik! Hey! Take it up, do something with it. Go after it. Yeah, he did. Go get it! Go!
Nice tackle! Way to go, 5-1!
Hey, Sam, come here! William! Let's go, make a change!
Hey Carson, go get the ball, let's go!
Count him!
He's good.